Hello, this is Syed. Sir, and today we will talk about ISTQB, which is International Software Testing Qualification Board. ISTQB is a leading global certification scheme in the field of software testing. As of 2021, over 1.1 million exams have been conducted so far, and there have been more than 8,64,000 certified testers all over the world. Now, the thing is that ISTQB itself is an international organization with its professional bodies available in different versatile countries, including Pakistan, India, United States of America, Canada, and Germany. So each and every country has a accredited body available there, and the reason behind having a testing certificate is to not only prove yourself out of the crowd, as well as having a good certificate really helps in earning good money, having a bright future. So this is how you can sum up your having certification in ISTQB. We can you if you see here, you can build your test tools either by certification, by providing training, and by having an exam. You can also register yourself in a successful candidate registry. If I click here in their SCR, so if I add my name here, Syed Danyal Hassan, so you will find that there was one certification that I took in from Pakistan in CTFL, and after that I took one certificate from United States of America for the agile tester. So how cool is that, right? Yeah. And apart from that, if you talk about the core level skills that are involved in improving and certifying your skills, we have foundation level, which is a actual certified tester foundation level. And then followed by we have agile tester, which is also part of the foundation level skill. We have advanced level in which we have technical test analyst, and test manager certification. Then we have some miscellaneous specialization certificates, which include AI testing, acceptance testing, and automotive software tester, and many more. Now, one naive and person would really ask me that why we would be required to take specialized certifications. The reason is that they only comprise of $199 initially. One of the most easier certifications you can have in ISTQB. Also, apart from that, specialization certificates really help you in enrolling yourself in a domain rather than becoming a generalized tester. So, if you talk about me, I think you should go for the certifications, because not only they are good, but also it will help you in standing out of bunch of a lot of testers. So right now in every company, you can see that they are hiring software testers on the basis of having any either of ISTQB certificate. Now, this is very delusional for a tester to not becoming certified, but having a core good skills. I can understand that because not only many of the testers are good in software testing, but they are also good in communication and everything. But when it comes to giving an interview in an H plus organization, so organizations would usually scrutinize 1 to 2 CVs out of 100. The reason is that the 1 or 2 CVs that they have selected, basically they are ISTQB certified CVs. Either it be a girl or a boy, it doesn't matter, because when you have the ISTQB, you can rule around the world. And not only that, if you have your name imported in SCR, I think that's a plus one. And usually United States of America, where they want to hire resources in order to save their budget, if they want to hire resources outside USA, they usually go for ISTQB, successful candidate registry section, in which they look for candidates that are available in the pool of ISTQB certified testers list, and what kind of certifications they have achieved so far. And it is in this way, you can get a good future. I think it's all about getting a good future. It's not about money, it's not about having a good house. It's about having a good future. May it be either in USA, in Canada, in Germany, or in Spain. If I talk about exams, you can always find a training provider available in your country, even in Afghanistan. You can have, if I talk about Pakistan, yeah, and my language is English. You can always look for different options as well. I don't have Urdu available right now. We have Turkish available as well as English and French. We go for this course. Agile Advanced Technical Tester. Okay, and we are looking for Pakistan American Software Testing Qualification Board. And training provider, these are the training providers available for ASTQB, which is I plus IGmbH, First Image Consultancy, A4Q, AS Slovakia, and Ablex GmbH. GmbH is basically German based companies. Okay, so if you go for searching, oh, no, it's not. So I think the data is not available right now. Okay, so these are the certifications: certified tester foundation level, core tester, analyst, test manager, at the specialist, performance testing, AI testing. So these are many more. And at the end, I would like to conclude that uh, you have there's no hard and fast rule of getting the certificate as a part of a mandatory process for a software tester. Rather than that, be it a person who can take it as an opportunity for helping yourself in this large, cunning corporate industry by standing out of the crowd, harnessing your skills, and giving your 100% in achieving your goals. And that's what I would like to say at the end of this video. I hope you liked this video, and I would like to ask you to, if you love this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and subscriptions. Thank you so much. Goodbye.